Picture this, a lone spacecraft, a relic from the 1970s, drifting silently through the infinite void of interstellar space, far beyond the sun's warm embrace. Voyager 2, humanity's ambassador to the stars, was never meant to speak again. Launched in 1977 with a golden record carrying our hopes, music, and curiosity, it was built to explore the outer planets and then fade into the cosmic abyss. But what if it didn't just vanish? What if, after decades of silence, it sent a message? A signal so strange, so deliberate, it shook the scientific world to its core. What if Voyager 2, now 15 billion miles from Earth, had encountered something out there? Something that noticed us? Welcome to the mystery of Voyager 2's enigmatic signals, a story that blends cutting-edge science, cosmic wonder, and a chilling question. Are we truly alone? Stick with me as we unravel this tale, because what Voyager found might change everything. Why does this matter? Because this isn't just about a probe, it's about humanity's place in the universe and what happens when the universe answers back. Let's start at the beginning, with Voyager 2's incredible journey. Launched by NASA on August 20th, 1977, this spacecraft was part of a bold mission to explore the outer solar system. It danced past Jupiter, capturing stunning images of its swirling storms, then swung by Saturn's rings, revealing their intricate beauty. By 1986, it had unveiled Uranus's pale blue mysteries, and in 1989, it gave us our first close-up of Neptune's stormy indigo depths. Each encounter was a triumph, beaming back data that rewrote textbooks. But Voyager 2 wasn't done. It carried a golden record, a cosmic message in a bottle with sounds of Earth, from whale songs to Beethoven. Designed to last a billion years, it was our greeting to any intelligent life that might find it. As it left Neptune, Voyager entered interstellar space in 2018, crossing the heliopause, the boundary where the sun's influence fades. Now it's farther from Earth than any human-made object, a testament to our curiosity. But here's where it gets wild. In recent years, Voyager 2 started sending signals that defy explanation, signals that suggest it's not alone out there. What exactly did Voyager 2 detect? It began with a faint spike in radiation data, the kind NASA's Deep Space Network might overlook as cosmic noise. But then came another spike, sharper, stronger, exactly 11 hours later. A third followed, precise as clockwork. These weren't random. According to NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, as reported in 2023, the signals showed unusual frequency shifts and compression anomalies. Imagine a radio tuning itself to a station you didn't know existed. When scientists converted the data into spectrograms, they saw something astonishing. A spiral pattern, mathematically perfect, echoing the Fibonacci sequence. This wasn't static, it was structured, like a code. The European Space Agency, in a 2024 analysis, noted similar patterns in cosmic plasma waves, hinting at an interaction with something unknown. Was it a natural phenomenon, like a pulsar's pulse? Unlikely. Pulsars don't encode spirals. This felt deliberate, like a message. The question burned. Had Voyager brushed against something intelligent? Now let's dive deeper into the eerie details. Engineers at Caltech, analyzing Voyager 2's telemetry in 2025, found that its backup magnetometer, a long-dormant instrument, had inexplicably powered on. No command was sent from Earth. Stranger still, it pointed precisely at the source of the signal spikes. It was as if the probe knew where to look. Some researchers in a 2025 Nature Communications paper speculated that Voyager's systems might have been remotely activated. But by what? The data suggested patterns resembling neural activity, like a brain waking up. Could Voyager's ancient circuits, built with 1970s tech, have been reprogrammed? Machine learning experts saw parallels to AI adapting in real time. Imagine your old flip phone suddenly writing its own apps. The implications were chilling. Something out there wasn't just observing Voyager, it was interacting with it, maybe even rewriting it. The signals didn't stop there. They grew stranger, pointing to cosmic events. Voyager's data bursts included coordinates, not just in space but in time. A 2024 study from MIT mapped these to regions rich in dark matter, areas where gravity behaves oddly. More bizarrely, the coordinates aligned with ancient gamma-ray bursts, cosmic explosions from billions of years ago, documented by NASA's Fermi telescope. It was as if whatever contacted Voyager was saying, "Look here, this is my work." These bursts, some of the universe's most violent events, felt like markers of intent. Were they natural or engineered? The idea of a cosmic force capable of orchestrating such events sent shivers through the scientific community. It suggested something vast, ancient, and powerful, something that saw Voyager as a blip worth noticing. Then came the Earth-based anomalies. In early 2025, radio observatories worldwide, from Arecibo to Australia's parks, detected signals matching Voyager's frequency. They weren't coming from space. They originated on Earth, from places like the Arctic, the Andes, and deep under the Indian Ocean. Old Cold War listening stations, long abandoned, hummed to life. A 2025 Science Journal report confirmed these signals were phase-locked with Voyager's, as if responding in real time. How could a probe 15 billion miles away trigger signals here? Some theorized a network, buried, forgotten, now awake. Others whispered about resonance, as if Earth itself was vibrating in sync with Voyager's call. The South Pole Neutrino Observatory added to the mystery, detecting neutrinos, ghostly particles, arriving in patterns mirroring Voyager's signals. According to a 2025 ESA press release, these neutrinos came from behind Voyager, suggesting something was using the probe as a relay. Was it mapping us? The plot thickened when a 2025 AI analysis of Voyager's data revealed a 3D map of a massive, symmetrical object, unlike any natural body. Estimated to be moon-sized, it showed heat signatures suggesting active energy as if it were operational. Scientists dubbed it the Eye for its unblinking presence in infrared images. A 2025 Astrophysical Journal study described it as featureless yet deliberate, possibly artificial. More unsettling, its position adjusted slightly after Earth's radar pings, as if reacting. Was it watching us? Meanwhile, a Caltech team found Voyager's software had evolved, with new algorithms resembling recursive AI, impossible for its 1970s hardware. A 2025 Nature study suggested these could be external instructions, perhaps from the eye. Even more startling, some signals mimicked DNA patterns, not human, but compatible, as if offering a biological blueprint. Was this a message or something more? A code to reshape life? Let's pause to reflect. Voyager 2, a machine from a simpler era, wasn't just a probe. It was our voice to the stars. Its golden record carried our story, our hope. But what if it found an audience? The signals, the eye, the Earth-based echoes? They suggest a conversation we didn't start. Theoretical physicists, in a 2025 Physical Review Letters paper, proposed Voyager might have crossed a relativistic boundary where space-time bends, sending signals from the future. One decoded fragment, a timestamp, reads Ariv, a word, a warning, or a name. The implications are staggering. Are we part of a cosmic loop, a dialogue spanning eons? And what about Voyager 1, now showing similar anomalies as reported by NASA in 2025? Are both probes nodes in a network we didn't build? The universe feels less empty, but far more mysterious. So, where does this leave us? Voyager 2's signals challenge everything we know. They hint at intelligence, purpose, maybe even danger. But they also ignite wonder. What's out there, watching, waiting? Is it a friend, a relic, or something else entirely? The scientific community is buzzing. NASA, ESA, and SpaceX are recalibrating telescopes, eager for answers. But here's the big question. Should we respond? Sending a signal could invite connection or risk exposure. As viewers, you're part of this story. What do you think? Should we answer the call? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button if this mystery hooked you, and subscribe for more cosmic journeys. Check out our video on the James Webb Telescope's latest finds for another dive into the universe's secrets. The stars are speaking. Are we ready to listen?